think I know what my daddy meant when he sang about a lost highway. No, George Jones, I'm glad to see is finally getting straight. Waylon staying home and loving Jesse more these days. And nobody wants to get drunk and to get bomb away. And all my rowdy friends have settled down. I think I know what my daddy meant when he sang about the lost highway. Oh, Chris is a movie star, Willie's in L.A. Johnny Cash don't act like he did back in '68. Nobody wants to get drunk and get loud. And all my rowdy friends have settled down. Yeah, me and my rowdy friends, we rowdied on.